In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use bundles in QuickBooks Online. Bundles are a really handy feature that allows you to group products and services together. This means that whenever you sell a set of products or provide a suite of services that are commonly sold together, you can easily manage them as a single unit in QuickBooks. It's especially useful for businesses that frequently sell combinations of products or services, streamlining both your invoicing and inventory management. To get started, you'll first want to navigate to the left panel of your QuickBooks Online interface and click on the Sales option. Once there, look for the Products and Services tab. This is where you'll manage and organize all the items you sell. At the top right corner of the screen, you'll notice a new button. Go ahead and click that, and from the menu that appears, select Bundle. This is where the magic happens. Now, you'll need to give your bundle a name. Choose something that clearly describes the group of products or services for easy identification later. Next, provide a detailed description. Think about what details your customers might need and include any information that will help them understand what this bundle offers. Now comes the part where you select the products and services that will be included in this bundle. Keep in mind, you'll need to have these products and services entered into QuickBooks beforehand. So make sure that everything you plan to bundle has already been set up. If they're not, take a step back to add them first. Once you're all set there, simply select each item you want to include. This is particularly handy if you offer a standard set of items or services that often go out together. Once everything is named, described, and all your items are selected, the next step is simple. Just click on Save and Close. By doing this, you've successfully created a bundle. Now, whenever you create invoices or estimates, you can easily select this bundle as a single entry, saving you time and reducing the hassle of entering each item individually. And that's all there is to it. You've now streamlined the way you handle groups of products or services in QuickBooks Online. Using bundles not only saves time, but also ensures consistency in what you're offering to your clients. It simplifies not only the selling process, but also helps in maintaining an organized inventory. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this feature as useful as I do in efficiently managing your business offerings in QuickBooks Online. If you have any more questions or tips you'd like to share, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy bundling!